For 12 to 13 years, one of the main IIMs was based in this palace. Like IIM Shillong is still based out of a palace. I made the video earlier on that. Same way, one of the main IIMs was based here in Emerald Bower. Any guess which college we are talking about? So the campus was here from 1963 to 1975, and then they moved to a newer campus. Yeah, this palace was built by Sir Jitendra Mohan Tagore, the man also behind the construction of the Tagore castle. So he lived here in 1984. He lived in this palace, and the palace was also named as Jalsa Ghar because of the musical concerts which used to happen in this palace. So any guess for the college name? So guys, I'm trying to merge some little bit of history along with the facts. So average salary of this, which made me did this video as well, is top 50% of the batch have got the average salary of 34 lakhs. Yeah, the moment I heard this thing, you should know about this college, so I wanted to make the video on that. So let's look at the placement scenario. Any guess for the college? Yeah, so placement of 2020 batch is now 28 lakh per annum. Last year it was 25 for 36. This is the highest placement in the campus in the country as of today. So median is 25.5. So you can see the gap between the average and median is because of the batch size. The bigger the batch size, the gap between the median and average is more. Yeah, with 400 plus students, the more the students, the gap will increase. Okay, so let's start from the bottom. Let's start at the bottom. So the top recruiter from the consulting arena is BCG, McKinsey, Bain, A.T. Kearney, PwC and Accenture. You name the consulting firm, they're coming to campus, and consulting is the biggest, most favored stream job at the batch. 1% batch appears in consulting, while 17% finance. It used to be finance ka hub. Any guess which IIM is the finance ka hub? Is now moving towards consulting. I'm not saying वो कम हो रहा है, but consulting में लोग ज़्यादा जा रहे हैं. So 136 coming came on campus, 439 the batch size. Now 439 and 492 offer. This means almost 1.1 time more offer. So every student, out of every 10 student, one student have got a double job, 2 offers, yeah, kind of thing. Okay, so yes, 41%. Top 25% of the batch have the salary of got 41%, and top 10% is 54.5. Top 50% of the batch have got a 34 lakh package. So just imagine, even if in the top 50% of the batch, which we can anyway maintain with hard work, you will get a 34 lakh package. Yeah, so the college we are talking about, any guess? अब तो बता दो यार, और number highest package इंडिया में की college में. But every good side of the bad side, so 99.5 is the cutoff required, 97 for OBC and 95 percentile for the SC/ST category. That's your target score. इसको 99.6 कर दो. For GEM, general engineer male, it should be 99.6 percentile. So cutoff obviously are very high because we're looking at the highest salary in the country, highest package in the country. So yeah, obviously you can't think this will be easy to get into. If they're giving you 34 lakh a package, is not going to be easier. Obviously we have to work hard for that. So this is the biggest motivation I can give you by sharing this story with you. So 23 lakh of fees and average salary is 28 lakh at this college, which is the highest salary in the country. So the college then transformed into the most beautiful lake campus. They shifted to a new campus in 1975, the campus of Lakes. Any guess? This is IIM Calcutta. So talking about IIM Calcutta here today. So if you like this video, please do like, and please tell me in the comment if you want me to add a little bit of history along with the facts. So please tell me, rather than making a boring video only talking about the facts. In case you want to join a program, you can call us on any of the numbers given here for books, mocks, e-classes or any of the program. Just call any of the numbers given here. Alright, all the best. Thank you.